Today we are going on a trip. It's a beautiful boat. We are sailing out of Boca Raton Marina, and the water here is just unreal. Such gorgeous emerald green color. The 86-foot boat we are on was donated to the Alzheimer's Association for a charity event. This is the upper deck with a wet bar, comfy sitting area, fly bridge where the captain sits with his first officer. Right now we are waiting for the drawbridge to open, which happens every half hour. Now let's head down to the main deck. Smaller boats are zipping on both sides. It's a high traffic area. Okay, now we are in the living room. It's pretty cozy here and well appointed. Here's a bar, control room, another one, also chef's kitchen, library, and dining area. And if you go below the main deck, that's where you'll find the sleeping quarters. There are 4 bedrooms, or they're called staterooms on this boat. And that's how they look. Not too claustrophobic. There's even a little closet stocked with towels. Check this out, a makeup table. How cute is that, huh? And this is the bathroom, very important. It has a pretty spacious shower and the toilet. And I can hear the engine starting, so we are on the move now. We are cruising through Boca Raton Lake, one of the favorite hangout spots for locals. And it's especially crowded today since it's Saturday. The captain says that it's too shallow to drop anchor here, so we'll be looking for a quiet and deeper spot. It's a party town here. Right ahead you'll see this pink tower of the Boca Raton Resort. It used to be a more vibrant pink. I don't know why they changed it, but that pink hue is typical of the Mediterranean revival style introduced here by Edison Meisner. Our chef keeps bringing us appetizers. What a spread. And this, by the way, is one of the eccentric properties along the Intracoastal Waterway. The 12,700 square foot estate is decorated with fish and other nautical elements. Even the pool is shaped like a fish, I was told. It's on the market for $25 million if you're interested in a fish palace. Finally, the captain finds us a quiet spot near Fort Lauderdale. It's known as the Venice of America, and for good reason. Over 300 miles of inland waterways in this area. I've got a bunch of busy teenagers here with me, bursting with energy, who cannot wait to jump in the water and swim. And I'm there operating my drone while trying to look like I know what I'm doing. Spoiler, at the end I almost landed it in the water. This is the view from the stern. That's the back. They lowered the platform in the back to make it easier to jump in the water. That's me waving to the camera like a pro. I am practicing my best swimmer moves, getting ready to take the plunge myself. After some fun in the water, it's time to head back. With all the bridges and traffic, it's going to take a couple of hours to get back to the dock. And just in time, dinner is served. Our chef, Martin Rodriguez, not Rodriguez, Rodriguez, he told me, who is from Quebec, prepared a feast. Grilled vegetables, truffle risotto, short ribs, branzino, shrimp, my favorite Caesar salad, yum.
The lemon infused olive oil and the shrimp that we had earlier. Bon appetit, enjoy.
Thank you, thank you.
To be honest, I can't swim and I have seasickness, but I'm glad I did it. Come to South Florida, it's a lot of fun.